What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this wig install. This wig is from ULAHAIR. As you can see, real nice and curly. Keep watching and hear all about the details and watch me install it. So here's a quick look at the packaging for the wig. Within the packaging, they sent me a rat tail comb to style the wig, some wig caps, an instruction pamphlet, and some cute lashes, which I'm going to be using when I do my makeup. So here's a quick look at the hairline on the wig. It is pre-plucked, and this is an HD lace front wig. And as far as the construction, as you guys can see, there are 4 combs, 3 around the top and then 1 at the nape, and it does come with a detachable band. This wig is 26 inches, 13x4, HD lace front, like I said, with deep wave curls. And this is what the curls look like after being washed. I look like an SNL character. But anywho, I'm finna get into installing her. I haven't really did anything to her. I didn't pluck it or nothing. I washed her and that's about it. But the hairline is already like pre-plucked. So all I'm gonna do is, you know, do some baby hairs. I also already did go in and put makeup on the ball cap. And then I'm about to go in and add a little bit to the lace here. This is so much hair. Okay, 26 inches, get into it. It's looking real crazy right now, you know what I'm saying? Giving crazy, purr. But just looking at everything, trying to make sure it's gonna situate good. And so I don't have to cut off any more of my wig cap. I think it's good. Once I stretch everything into where it needs to be, it's gonna go how it's supposed to go. Now I need to get into tacking this down. Of course, I'm gonna be using Got2b products. I did buy this a couple weeks ago, but I heard it works best when you have the spray with it too, and I don't have that. So, and I kind of tried using this before without the spray and it didn't really work. So we're gonna stick to the Got2b, but your girl do need to get up on a Ghost Spine wave because I haven't did it yet, and I know that that glue really stays and sticks because it's a real wig glue. But yeah, so I just need everything to be slicked back out of my way. So I'm about to go in with this hot comb a little bit, smooth everything back. I need to go in and make my little slits so I can work in sections. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna be using the glued as well as the freeze blast spray if I have anything in this. Oh, it's glued shut. A mess. A mess. I need to buy some board. And my outlet is full of plugs, so I'm gonna step out my room to blow dry. It's not really sticking. What's going on? I think it's because this ear tab is so big. I need to cut some of it off. Let me do that. I like when wigs are just like a little bit too big because then you can always just cut it off like that. When they're kind of a little cutting it close, it makes it harder to like make it fit real good. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up this side off camera, like tacking it down, and then I'll come back when I'm about to cut these little flaps, the lace off. Now everything's tacked down. She is laid. clean up around this hairline. And I'm about to put this elastic on. This is my first time trying this way, but I heard it like makes everything just melt really nicely. And I'm gonna just spray a little bit on this comb real quick and tap it over these edges. Make sure everything's smooth. So now taking a piece of elastic, I'm just gonna tie it. Ooh, there's a lot of hair now. So I try to do it pretty tight. Hopefully that's tight enough. And I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I think I want to do a side part because this wig kind of has layers. I don't know if y'all can tell. You probably should be able to. Making it look real fuller up here because it's shorter, but then it's long. So I think it could probably look real cute with a side part. Yeah, we're doing a side part. But I'm gonna let this marinate for like 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's time to take this off. Ooh, if I can get it off, I tied it pretty good back there. Now I want to make me a good old deep side part. And definitely side parts are my go-to. I'm definitely gonna have to wet this. It's getting poofy. Finally got my part how I wanted it. I wish I had some moves, but I don't think I have any. And I think my camera gonna die, so I'm about to just do as much as I can show y'all right now. I might have to do my baby hairs off camera. And I'll probably use a little bit of a curling product to put on the hair. So I just finished wetting all of my hair, and now I'm about to go in and start making my baby hairs. And now I'm taking just a little bit of gel to bring those hairs forward and lay down. That's what it's looking like. And we can just start swooping. I feel like it's a gap right here though. Spray a little freeze blast. And now I'm just about to go in with some control gel to like smooth over the top everything. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Get rid of these flyaways. Looking so good. Your girl did her thing. Yes, this might be like the best install I did. Let me find out your girl getting real good with the installs. But I'm about to go in my part with a little bit of makeup. So really the only thing left to do is let this dry, and I'm gonna beat my face. So your girl finished doing her makeup, and these are my final results of this wig install. I think it looks so good, y'all. Like, your girl really did her thing. I'm loving it. The hair is mad long, like I said. One thing I really don't care for is the layering. I like when curly hair is like, if it's long, then it's long. I don't really care for this layering in the front because it makes it kind of poofy. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it makes it a little poof right there. But besides that, it still looks really good, and I love the nice curls. I really did my thing. Hold up, get into it. Yeah, get into it. And also, to help with styling the hair, I did use some products. I used Now Your Mother's Curl Talk, the Defining Cream, and the Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. This definitely helped, especially the Frizz Control Gel, because it was getting a little frizzy. Like I said, that front area where it's like a layer, this was getting a little bit frizzy, but I used some of that control gel, and it helped to tame everything real good. If I would have bleached my knots, it really would have been it. It's already it, but it really would have been it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, I definitely have all the links to this wig as well as the company in the description box below. And shout out to ULAHAIR for sending me this wig. I have worked with them in the past, and I loved the hair before, and I love this hair as well. If you're looking for some real long curly bundles, not bundles, but a real long curly wig, definitely check out ULAHAIR. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.